Star Wars Rise of the Resistance is one of the most complex and advanced attractions ever designed by Walt Disney Imagineering. It features 65 animatronics and combines multiple ride systems, including a trackless dark ride, a motion simulator, and a drop system. This thrilling 18-minute experience places guests inside their own Star Wars adventure in the middle of a battle between the Resistance and the First Order. The attraction is located inside of Galaxy's Edge on the outskirts of Blackspire Outpost, which is the location of some ancient caves housing the Resistance encampment. Entering inside, guests receive their mission from BB-8 and a hologram of Rey to rendezvous with General Leia Organa on the planet of Pikara.
Incoming transmission from Rey.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on BATUU is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pikara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pikara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Bolton and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pikara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
You start this mission by boarding a Resistance transport ship which takes off, escorted by Dameron and a squad of X-Wings.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pikara.
But the convoy is attacked by a First Order Star Destroyer which captures the transport.
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. Company, First Order TIE fighters. Clear out! Clear out! True Blue Flag, we gotta clear a path so transport can make a jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 take to evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut out of the way. Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready. You won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. Get out of there! We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in. It's a threat to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong. Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Once the ship is brought aboard, the doors open to reveal a massive hangar bay filled with stormtroopers. You're taken to a holding cell where Kylo Ren and Armitage Hux plan their interrogation.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
But before that can happen, the Resistance stages a jailbreak and Finn directs you to board a hijacked First Order fleet transport piloted by an R5 unit, which will take you to an awaiting escape pod.
R5, he's been reprogrammed to get you safely back to BATUU. Good luck out there, recruits, and may the Force be with you.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to BATUU. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
The two transports can barely exit the loading station before almost being spotted by a probe droid.
A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts.
And you're not
stay
safe
out
for
of
long.
trouble.
You encounter two stormtroopers in the next corridor who attempt to blast the transports.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
The stormtroopers give chase and you enter into the next room, which is filled with AT-ATs.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time.
Heading for the lifts, you see Finn disguised in a stormtrooper suit who directs you downwards, but the lifts go up instead, causing the transport to be almost blasted after getting spotted by an AT-AT pilot. Next, you again encounter Kylo Ren and General Hux, who are discussing the situation in the ship's bridge.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
Suddenly, Ren notices the transports and chases them into a nearby lift. Not to be deterred, Ren hops on top of the lift and attempts to carve his way inside. Retreating quickly, the transports flee through a room with cannons firing at the Resistance before encountering Kylo Ren one last time.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a back.
Your efforts are wasted. Cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
The transports finally enter the escape pods, which are suddenly ejected, navigating through the crossfire before escaping back to BATUU.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Back on solid land, you'll have one final meetup with Beck before exiting the ride and finally getting a chance to catch your breath.
I think I have that authority.
Right, Beck? Beck! You're on!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
The ride is a spectacular combination of technical wizardry, special effects, and is filled with details sure to please every Star Wars fan, making Rise of the Resistance one e-ticket attraction that's not to be missed on your next Disney vacation.